Do you want to learn a very profitable, new and my secret sales funnel that you can use to get triple your profits in your business, whether you're a starting entrepreneur, whether you're an existing entrepreneur, or whether you want to start business? This video will teach you exactly how you can get started in advertising campaigns and how you can not make the mistake that many entrepreneurs make that really lower and harm their sales. So if you're interested in this, stick around until the end of the video, as I'm really going to reveal some of my secret and really helpful tips. And guys, I know I haven't uploaded in the past 3 days, but I'm working on a really awesome business software, e-commerce and server hosting sort of business or website that I'm working on. And at the same time, I'm designing an affiliate marketing system where affiliates can earn residual income on a monthly basis. So I'm very excited to share this with you, and it's going to be coming out soon. So stay tuned on the channel for this awesome opportunity coming out soon. So now, a lot of mistakes that I see on Facebook, mostly Facebook, with Facebook advertising, is that a lot of businessmen and online entrepreneurs, they go in for the kill. What they'll do is they will post a cold advert on Facebook or whatever social media platform it does, and then that cold advert will basically go straight to a sales page. Now, this is a mistake that a lot of online entrepreneurs make, as people, they don't want to take a risk. So for example, if there's a new product on the market, they don't want to spend money because they don't know the product yet. So I'm going to show you a better way to go about this and how you can really make a lot more profit on your sales. And this can apply for any business, whether it's an online course, selling products online, whatever it may be. So you've obviously got your cold advert that you're going to post or create on Facebook or whatever social media platform that's going to be, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Reddit. There's so many different platforms out there. I'm just going to list a few here. And what you want to do is, so instead of funneling traffic from your cold advert to your traditional sales page, you want to rather funnel them to a content-based page. And on that content-based page, you want to have what you call a Facebook pixel. And if you don't know what a Facebook pixel is, it's basically an analytics tool that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. So you can use a pixel data to make sure your ads are being shown to the right people and build advertising audiences for specific niches and products. So not only this content-based page will be only content, it could be a article, a video content page, whatever it may be. And at the bottom of this content page, you're going to have an option, what you call a content upgrade, where it will give them a chance to enter their email. And basically on this content-based page, you can have something along the lines such as a new secret free course or sample or whatever it may be. And this is what people want to see. They don't want to get involved in any risk, because as soon as you ask them to buy something, they see it as a risk. But if you are offering something such as a free sample or a free demo, there's no risk. They will want to get involved. And what you also want to include on your content-based page is a exit intent pop-up. And what this does is, for the people who aren't interested in upgrading or going to the content upgrade option, and then once they go for the exit intent pop-up or back option, the browser will know that they've been interested in this ad, and the Facebook pixel will remember this. And this pop-up at the same time serves a one last chance for them to enter the email to get involved in this free product or sample or whatever you're offering. So one of two things can happen. Either your sales or your traffic will say no, or they will say yes. And if they do say yes, what you want to do is you want to send them to a thank you page. And on this thank you page, you want to have an offer. So for example, if you're an attorney and you do consultation, this offer can be something along the lines a free consultation, which will obviously get people interested. And as I spoke about, there's no risk involved for your customer, which is exactly what they want. And if they say no on the thank you page with your offer that you intend to offer them, you've still got them on your email list, and this will allow you to stay in touch with them. And I'll get back to this in a bit. Remember in the beginning I spoke about that content-based page where they can click your offer or not, and if they say no, the nice thing is, remember that Facebook pixel, you can use that information. Now, obviously, they clicked on your advert, so they're interested in this. So the Facebook pixel will obviously use retargeted ads, which will obviously keep them interested in the long term. And I like to use the rule of 1 to 2 months. And basically what this means is, once clients have clicked no on your content or a cold advert, they obviously will get the retargeted ads. So from there, if they don't at least click or engage with your retargeted ads for a month or two afterwards, completely remove them from your campaign. So now, what about all those people that did give you all their email addresses, but that didn't opt in for the offer. So you want to ask yourself, how long is your sales cycle? Meaning, how long does it take for a prospect to hear about your business before they're finally ready to pull the trigger and perhaps give you a sale? Maybe it's a month, maybe it's 2-3 months, maybe it's even 6 months. But whatever it is, you want to come up with enough emails, whether it's helpful, actionable, giving them tips or free coupons or whatever it may be, to last you for your entire sales cycle. So I recommend 1 or 2 emails per week to be sent to a client. And yes, I said the emails that are being sent to these customers must be actionable, but I have an exception. 1 out of every 5 emails can be completely promotional. So for example, if you send 10 emails, 2 of them can actually be just promotional, whether it's your course, product, or whatever it is that you're offering. And the point is, you want to offer a lot of value. You want them to see your expertise and you want them to trust you, to get to trust you. So as I say, most of the emails should end with a slight call to action, whether this is to your sales page or another content-based page based on an offer you have, but I recommend your sales page. And once they take you up on it, you get your purchase. And you're going to continue with your emails throughout that buying cycle through to your sales page and eventually getting that purchase. And the nice thing about your emails, you can sort of write them as you go, whether it's 1 or 2 per week. You can save them on a platform like MailChimp. Okay, so now I want to hear from you what you think of the sales funnel, if there's any specific sales funnel that you're using, and if you want help with your sales funnel, comment down below or DM me on Instagram and I will be gladly willing to help with your sales funnel. But I really hope you found this useful for the online entrepreneurs that are wanting to get more sales. This is probably one of my favorite funnels, and I definitely want to focus on this topic more in the future. E-commerce, dropshipping, online business in general, also business software. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, comment down below about this sales funnel, and subscribe if you're new to receive some great content on how you can make money online, boost your social media network, and succeed in your online business. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.